Hey everyone, what's going on? Today we are installing the Leer HF350M hard truck bed folding cover. Don't forget to stop by RHRSwag.com for all your truck needs if you need any additional racks or tie-down rails. First step, we're going to unbox our brand new cover. Looks good inside, looks like we got everything nice and secure in there. Then we're going to make sure we have all of our parts we need. Everything's included in the parts list. First step, install the bed rails for this new cover. The biggest thing with these is making sure they fit nice and flush on there. You want to make sure they're as far forward as you can. And then the clamps themselves, Leer has some recommended positions for them. You just want to make sure they are around the bedwall flange and in that lower part of the channel. Then once you have the proper position, you go ahead and snug that flower nut down, just hand tight in case you need to adjust. And then fully tighten the Allen screw on top there. Install on the other side is the exact same. Okay, installing our new cover. To get proper placement, you just want to set it on the front half of the bed. First, biggest thing here, make sure the dust seal is pulled out in between the bed and the cab. And then we can go ahead and install the clamp assembly. These are nice and easy, just slip inside the bed cover's keyhole slots and then around the bed rail's clamp plate. Simply snug the flower nut down and then attach the secondary supplied wing nuts on there, making sure everything's nice and secure. And then we can put on the secondary safety tethers. Okay, now we can unfold this cover and check for squareness on our bed itself. Occasionally you have to adjust, and you can do this with the set screw on the clamp plate. Ours fit pretty well, so we didn't have to do anything there, but we did have to adjust our sink latch plate. Just make sure everything lines up correctly there. Okay, now time for one last check on this brand new cover. Looking like everything is fitting nice and perfect there. Last step is to install the upright prop rods, just in case we want to utilize 100% truck bed access if we ever need to. Biggest thing, make sure these snap in with the release lever on the lower end. Just makes it easier to release the cover itself. Then we're done. Enjoy your brand new Leer HF350M cover. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Don't forget to check out RHRSwag.com for more info, any additional parts you need, and make sure to follow us. Thank you.